Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the stripping is done, I'll take my leave and go. Welcome to Rogue Mother Rising. Ahoy, Medios. It's March 3rd, 2026, 5:51 p.m. p.m. Pirate time. It's been a very stressful few days, and I thought today would be the day to relax over all of this stuff. Apparently not. Our attorney called this morning letting us know that the judge refused to dismiss our guardianship. The guardianship that we applied for after we were backed up against the wall because my son's day activity group decided to add monthly strip club nighttime itinerary night for the clients and the care providers to enjoy together. I called all the protective places. They all told me it's just fine. Group homes and day activity groups can take their clients out strip clubbing, and it's perfectly fine. I don't agree with that. I'm using my voice. They all know where I stand. Please share my video. When caring isn't enough, guardianship, paid care, and the hidden risk for adults with disabilities. I am the mother of an adult with developmental disabilities. I have been his caregiver his whole life. I've managed his care, his finances, his daily needs. I've been paid through Medicaid as a care provider for the last 20 years. Like I say, this has been my career. And I've served as his rep payee for his Social Security. I thought as long as I cared for him, I could ensure his safety and well-being. But here's the problem. The laws and policies surrounding guardianship are pushing families like mine out of control of their children's lives, while strangers, professionals, or group home staff can take over and make decisions that affect our children in ways we cannot even control. The guardian versus the paid caregiver paradox. Under Oregon law, if you are a paid caregiver, you cannot serve as your adult child's guardian. That means parents like me, who have dedicated my entire life for caring for my son, are legally blocked from being both his caregiver and the decision maker. Meanwhile, professional guardians or group home staff can be paid to make decisions, even if they have no personal relationship with the child. My adult child. This is child, because I call him my kid. He's my son. They can choose where our adult children go, what activities they participate in, and how they spend their time and money. This isn't just inconvenient, it's dangerous. These are people who do not know our children the way we do. They can take them places or put them in situations we would never approve of, and there's very little oversight. Actually, there's none. There's zero. Let me give you a personal example. My son is an adult with severe disabilities. I've spent his whole life protecting him, and yet, because of this rule, if I want to remain a paid caregiver, I cannot legally be his guardian. I went through the guardianship process, not because I wanted control, but because I needed to protect him. And now, the court has forced the decision out of our hands. Either another family member must take guardianship, or a professional will be appointed, someone who may not know him, someone who may not care as deeply as a parent who has devoted decades of their lives caring for him. This has caused tremendous trauma and stress to me, my husband, and even our other children, and my son. The system promised families safety, support when institutions closed. That promise has not been fulfilled. I have been my son's rep payee for Social Security benefits. I've responsibly managed his money, ensured he has what he needs, and safeguarded his well-being. But now, even with that history of responsible care, the law says I cannot legally be paid for the work I've been doing if I am also his guardian. This creates a cruel paradox. A parent cannot earn a living while providing safe care, but a stranger or a professional can. A low-income family, no matter how devoted, may be forced to surrender legal control to protect basic income and benefits. The real question becomes, who is protecting these adults with disabilities? If a professional guardian or a group home staff is in charge, they may follow the rules, but they do not have lifelong commitment, the understanding, or the emotional investment that parents have. There are instances, like monthly outings to strip clubs for adults in group homes, that parents may never approve of, but under current law and policy, there's little that prevents it. It's actually encouraged. This is not about questioning anyone's intentions. It is about how the law is structured in a way that prioritizes legal compliance over real safety and dignity. This is why I'm speaking out. Families of adults with disabilities cannot be pushed aside, disregarded, or economically penalized for doing what they've always done, protecting their children. We need change. We need laws and policies that allow parents to serve both as guardians and paid caregivers without losing that income. Prioritize the child's safety and well-being over procedural rules. Protect low-income families from being forced to surrender control of their adult children. I share this story not just for my family, but for all the parents who have devoted their lives to their children with disabilities. If you're a parent, an advocate, or someone who cares about justice and safety, this is a call to action. Speak up. Reach out to lawmakers. Share these stories. Together we can make sure our children are cared for by people who love them, not just the people who are legally allowed to. Thank you for listening. This has got my bee in a bonnet. I tell you what. Who do these people think they are? When did they make these laws? I'll see you on my next video. I'm going to get this one all edited up and put up tonight. And I'll be back in the morning with something. I can assure you of that. This is just getting started. I thought maybe we were just getting everything, all the loose ends, like kind of tied up as far as my son. No, now they want to take him. They want to take him so they can give all their gold coins to their little brainwashed state workers. In ChatGPT, I'm not taking that out. This is serious. It needs help. It needs fixed. Ahoy, Medios. See you in the morning.